gentlemen, coming on stage right now, I'm gonna take you a little bit back. If you were here yesterday, we did have a starter, we did have the beginning. Right now is the time, because today is Saturday night. Shout outs to Yega Tapes. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're from Burundi, make some noise! See, I'm about to lose my voice like last time. If you're from Kigali, make some noise! If you are from Uganda, make some noise! If you know you're from the Democratic Republic of Congo, make some noise! And listen, Congo suffers a long time, but bomb clock to the bad energy against Congo, man! Y'all, somebody free Palestine. I don't want to make this political, but you better get knowledgeable and let's do this thing. Ladies and gentlemen, Kakuma Sound, a combination of different artists from different refugee camps, ladies and gentlemen. These champions are artists from refugee camps, and they say it with a smile because nobody ever wishes to be a refugee. And in Uganda, we are ranked among the top countries that are lovely and welcoming to refugees. So let's make some noise for Uganda! So these refugee camps, Kakuma camp in Kenya, here Uganda, Rwanda and Congo. These champions are trained by Omar and Yves. The whole week at their office, they represent exactly in its entity, the East African community in its very best culture sense. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Kakuma Sound!